The Land Rover Range Rover is synonymous with luxury, power, and off-road capabilities, making it one of the most desirable CVs on the market. But despite its premium status, it's not immune to issues. The L405 model, produced between 2013 and 2022, is no exception. While it delivers a refined driving experience, there are some common faults that potential buyers and current owners should be aware of. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the most common problems with the Range Rover L405, what to watch out for, and how to prevent these issues from affecting your vehicle. Whether you're eyeing one for purchase or already own one, here's what you need to know. 10. Air suspension problems. One of the most well-known issues with the Range Rover L405 is its air suspension system. The air suspension offers a smooth and adaptable ride, adjusting automatically for different terrains and road conditions. However, it's a complex system, and when it fails, it can cause the vehicle to drop in height or become unresponsive. Over time, the air suspension bags, compressors, or valves can wear out, leading to a bumpy ride, increased ride height, or in some cases, total failure of the suspension system. While it's common for older Range Rover models to experience these issues, newer models are also not exempt. If you notice any abnormal noises, sagging, or irregular handling, it's a good idea to get the suspension system checked. Regular maintenance, including inspections of air compressors and suspension bags, can help mitigate the risk of these costly repairs. 9. Electrical system failures. As with most modern luxury vehicles, the Range Rover L405's electrical system is highly advanced. However, this complexity often leads to failures. Some of the most common electrical issues include malfunctioning infotainment systems, faulty sensors, or issues with the central locking system. Owners have reported problems with the terrain response system, which controls the vehicle's driving modes, as well as failure of the electric parking brake. Electrical issues can be difficult to diagnose, but if you encounter problems like flickering dashboard lights, the loss of control over driving modes, or a non-responsive infotainment system, it's worth having a professional check the wiring and software. Updating the software or replacing faulty components can often resolve these issues. 8. Diesel particulate filter DPF problems. For those who own the diesel version of the Range Rover L405, the diesel particulate filter DPF can present a challenge. The DPF is designed to filter out harmful emissions, but it can clog up over time, especially with short trips or city driving. A clogged DPF can lead to reduced engine performance, a decrease in fuel efficiency, and in some cases, engine warning lights. If your Range Rover frequently triggers the DPF warning light, it could indicate a buildup of particulate matter. Regular highway driving or regeneration can help clean the DPF, but if the problem persists, the filter might need to be replaced. It's crucial to keep an eye on the DPF and address the issue before it leads to more severe engine problems. 7. Engine cooling system failures. Cooling system problems are another common issue with the Range Rover L405. Overheating can be caused by a variety of factors, including a faulty thermostat, radiator issues, or leaks in the cooling system. When the cooling system fails, the engine can overheat, leading to significant engine damage. Range Rover owners have reported radiator leaks, hose issues, and thermostat failures, especially in earlier models of the L405. Regular checks of the radiator, cooling fans, and hoses are essential. If you notice the temperature gauge rising above normal levels or any coolant leaks, it's important to address the issue quickly to avoid serious damage to the engine. Replacing worn-out parts before they fail is key to preventing expensive repairs. 6. Transmission issues. The Range Rover L405 is equipped with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, which is generally reliable. However, there have been reports of rough shifting, delayed gear changes, and in some cases, complete transmission failure. These issues can be caused by low transmission fluid levels, a malfunctioning torque converter, or software glitches that affect the transmission control module. If you experience rough shifting or unusual noises while changing gears, it's advisable to get the transmission checked. Regular fluid changes and software updates can help keep the transmission running smoothly. Ignoring early signs of trouble can lead to costly repairs or even a full transmission replacement. 5. Fuel system issues. Fuel system problems can lead to a variety of issues, including poor engine performance, misfires, or even complete engine failure. Owners of the Range Rover L405 have reported issues with fuel pumps, injectors, and fuel lines, particularly in older models. These issues can cause the engine to run roughly, decrease fuel efficiency, or prevent the vehicle from starting altogether. If you experience poor acceleration, a decrease in fuel efficiency, or the engine not starting, it's worth having the fuel system inspected. Addressing small issues early can prevent more serious damage to the engine and fuel components. 4. Door lock and handle issues. A more minor, but still frustrating issue reported by Range Rover L405 owners is problems with the door locks and handles. Both the keyless entry system and manual door handles can malfunction, either failing to unlock the doors or causing difficulty when opening or closing them. Some owners have also encountered issues with the electric tailgate not opening or closing properly. These issues can often be traced to faulty wiring, worn-out actuators, or issues with the key fob itself. If your door locks or handles aren't functioning properly, it's a good idea to get them inspected. While not typically a major issue, it's best to address door-related problems early to avoid getting locked out of your vehicle. 3. Suspension control arm wear. The suspension control arms in the Range Rover L405 play an essential role in maintaining the vehicle's stability and handling. Over time, these components can experience wear and tear, particularly if the vehicle is driven aggressively or on rough terrain. Worn control arms can lead to poor handling, uneven tire wear, and a noticeable decline in ride quality. If you notice unusual noises coming from the suspension, such as clunking or knocking sounds, or if the vehicle feels unstable when cornering, it could be a sign of control arm wear. Having these components replaced as part of regular suspension maintenance can prevent more costly repairs down the line. 2. Air conditioning system failures. Another common issue with the Range Rover L405 is air conditioning system failures. Several owners have reported that the AC system stops blowing cold air, or the system experiences intermittent failures. This can be caused by a range of issues including refrigerant leaks, compressor failure, or faulty sensors. A properly functioning AC system is crucial for comfort, especially in warmer climates. If you notice that the air conditioning isn't working as efficiently as it should, it's important to have it inspected. Recharging the refrigerant or replacing faulty components can typically solve the problem. 1. Timing chain tensioner failures. The most serious mechanical issue with the Range Rover L405 is related to the timing chain tensioner. Some models, particularly those produced in the early years of the L405 range, have been known to experience failure of the timing chain tensioner. This part is responsible for maintaining the proper tension on the timing chain, which controls the engine's internal components. If the tensioner fails, the timing chain can slip, leading to catastrophic engine damage. Symptoms of a failing timing chain tensioner include rattling noises from the engine, rough running, and a decrease in engine performance. Timing chain issues are expensive to repair, so it's important to catch them early. If you suspect any problems, it's critical to have the timing chain and tensioner inspected immediately. While the Range Rover L405 is undeniably a remarkable SUV that offers a blend of luxury, performance, and off-road capability, it's not without its faults. From air suspension issues to timing chain tensioner failures, these problems can impact the vehicle's reliability and performance. However, by staying on top of maintenance and addressing issues early, you can ensure that your Range Rover continues to provide a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car insights and maintenance tips. Let us know in the comments if you've experienced any of these issues or if you have any questions about Range Rover ownership. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.